Notice how it's cooler when you walk inside here.
Yes, automatically. Oh boy. This is eerie. Man, look at this.
We figure this is used for storage.
Yeah.
Either grain or meat or ice. This is the kind of thing to use the ground cotton for. Here's your best cotton bag. Cool.
Wow. Strong back.
And that's just, I'm just imagining
Imagine all day long.
all day long with
Now, this
that.
is like canvas, so where this come from at that period?
I don't know, maybe they bought it made, I don't know. But it's pretty sturdy. It's not cotton.
Somebody made a lot of money selling those.
Right, yeah, it's like, the,
Hey, you want a piece of cotton?
Yes, sure do.
Help yourself right there.
Wow, wow, wow.